The Outback is full of wonderful sounds, but none is more wonderful than the sound of an ice cream van on a hot and thirsty day. Lolly's ice cream is the best for miles around.
I say, bit of a scorcher today, wouldn't you say?
There must be something we can do to cool off. Water's cool. Come for a swim. Come on. Oh, even the water's hot.
I say, is that?
It sounds like... It's Lolly!
Archie, Alice and Mitzi couldn't believe their eyes. Lolly's ice cream van had come to the waterhole. Ice cream on a boiling hot day was just the thing to cool them down.
Hi, everyone! I've been driving through the Outback for weeks. Gets awful lonesome out there. Lovely to have somebody to talk to. Anybody for an ice cream?
Rather.
Yeah. Coming up.
I say, what a treat.
Ice cream. Oh, I hope she's got chocolate chip.
Meanwhile, back at the homestead, Ned and Buster had found their own way to keep cool.
What are you doing, Buster?
Making an ice pack for my hot head, Ned.
Ned had found a different way to keep cool.
There you go, an ice cold drink.
Cheers, Frank. Just what I need.
I'll just go and get the glasses. Buster, you've drunk it all.
Yes. Thanks, Frank.
But that was for all of us. You, me and Ned.
Oh, I thought... Oh, no. I'm sorry. Here, Ned, you can have my ice pack.
Back at the waterhole, Mitzi was longing for her chocolate chip ice cream.
Oh, me first. There you go, Mitzi. Oh, thank you, Lolly. Oh, what was that? There's something wrong with my ice cream van.
It looks perfectly sniffing to me, Lolly.
Me too. No, it's broken down. Oh, please, can I have my ice cream? My ice cream's melting. Oh, no.
Oh, dash.
Oh, Lolly, please don't go. I'm not going, Mitzi. I'm just turning on the engine. The engine keeps me ice cream cold.
But Lolly's engine wouldn't start.
If I can't start the engine, all my ice cream will melt. Oh, what am I going to do?
Well, now, let's see. Sammy's a wizard with engines.
But he's not here, Archie. I know. I'll drive over to the homestead and get help from Frank and Buster. Frank and Buster will know exactly what to do.
Alice, you won't go and forget what you're going for, will you?
Of course I won't forget, Archie. Oh.
But as Alice drove down the hot, dusty road, her thoughts wandered to other things, like how she could stop by Sammy's on the way back and buy a great big watermelon.
That'd be a nice surprise for Archie and Mitzi.
In the blazing heat, Archie and Mitzi tried to help Lolly start her engine.
Don't panic. Stay calm. I'll think of something.
We've got to think of some way to stop the ice cream melting. We can eat it. Oh!
You can't eat a whole tub of ice cream.
I can. Hi, Frank. Buster.
Hello, Alice.
Hello, Alice.
Phew. It's a bit hot to be riding my scooter.
So, what brings you here, Alice? Have you forgotten?
It was something important, but I can't.
Remember? Maybe if you sit down and cool off, you'll remember.
Ned, why are you wearing that towel on your head?
It's an ice pack. Buster made it to cool me down.
Come on, Alice. Try and remember.
Ice.
We don't have any ice left, Alice. Sorry.
No. That's it. Ice. Ice cream.
What?
Lolly's van's broken down at the waterhole and her ice cream's melting. She needs your help.
Ice cream.
I love Lolly's ice cream.
Leave it to us, Alice. Get ready for takeoff.
Right, Frank.
See you back at the waterhole, Alice. Stand by.
Standing by.
Box away, Buster.
Chocks away, Frank.
Get the gate, Ned.
I'm getting the gate, Frank.
Buckle up, Buster.
Buckled up.
Oh, dear. Alice has been gone ages.
I bet she's forgotten what she went to the homestead for.
Oh, they'll get here too late and all my ice cream will have melted.
Oh, look! They're here!
Oh, Frank, the ice cream's melting.
Don't worry, Lolly. Give me the ice cream.
What are you going to do with it, Frank?
I'm going to fly back to the homestead and freeze the ice cream in our freezer.
Great idea, Frank. Good job our freezer's empty.
Oh, thank you, Frank.
There's not a minute to lose.
Absolutely. We must save the ice cream.
What about me, Frank?
You can stay here, Buster, and try and fix the van.
You Koala Brothers really are wonderful.
We're here to help.
Any luck, old chap?
Ouch! Nope, I can't get it to work.
Good day, everyone.
I bet Sammy can.
Okay.
Give it a go.
It worked.
Yay!
Wonderful.
Oh, thank you, Buster. Oh, thank you, Sammy.
Why don't we all meet back at the homestead and we can pick up your ice cream?
I can't wait for my chocolate chip. Where's everyone going? We're on our way to the homestead. But I've just come back from there.
Back at the homestead, Frank had some very good news for Lolly.
The ice cream's fine, Lolly.
Oh, Frank, how can I thank you? How can I possibly thank you all?
Well,
I know. Who's for ice cream?
Yes!
mine's a chocolate chip.
Bye, Lolly!
I'll be back soon.
And everybody hoped that Lolly would be back soon, because on a hot and thirsty day in the Outback, the most magical sound of all was the sound of Lolly's ice cream van coming to town. One sunny morning, George was up and about early, getting ready to deliver the post.
G'day, George. Anything for me?
Oh, hello, Sammy. Let me have a little look-see.
Looking forward to your birthday party tomorrow, George?
Oh, yes. It's very nice of the Koala Brothers to let me have a party at their homestead. Now, no letters for you today, Sammy.
Ah, well, I'll better get going. See ya.
Oh, these are for you, Sammy.
Sammy was already off on his deliveries. George would just have to deliver the parcels to Sammy's store himself.
Hi, Josie.
Hi, Frank. Hi, Buster.
Fill her up, please, Josie.
Oh.
Hey, Frank. George looks like he could use an extra pair of hands.
I'd say 2 pairs, Buster.
Hi, George.
It's us.
The Koala Brothers.
We're here to help.
Phew. Thanks.
Oh, great. I've been waiting for these. Good day, Frank. Buster.
Hi, Sammy.
Go.
Oh, these parcels are heavier than they look.
Oh, I know. Parcels are always very difficult to deliver. They really slow me down.
What you need, George, is a van like mine.
Nah, that wouldn't suit me. A van would be too quick and noisy. I like to walk, take my time, look at the scenery. I don't want to be hurrying everywhere.
Oh, well, must be off. Things to do. Bye.
And I've got post to deliver.
See you at the party tomorrow.
Don't be late.
A postman is never late.
Hey, Buster. We should get George a birthday present that helps him deliver heavy parcels.
Good idea, Frank. It can't be anything quick or noisy, though.
Look, I've got it. Come on.
George's present arrived the next day.
Oh, happy birthday, George. See you later.
And Josie hurried inside to call the Koala Brothers.
Thanks, Josie. All for me. This is going to be an easy delivery. What? Oh, who's this for? The Koala Brothers. Oh dear, that's a long way to take a very big parcel. I'd better start my round early this morning. Now I'm getting somewhere. Not very somewhere, though. Oh dear, I'm never going to get to Frank and Buster's at this rate.
Over at the Koala Brothers homestead, the preparations were well underway for George's party.
What have you got him, Buster?
It's a surprise, Ned.
Oh, great. I love surprises too. What is it?
Come on, Buster. Josie phoned. George's present has arrived. Let's go get it.
Tell you later, Mitzi. Gone?
Yes, he must have thought it needed delivering.
We'll find him. He can't have gone too far. Come on, Buster.
That's better.
I still don't see him, Frank.
He must have gone farther than I thought. We're bound to spot him between here and home.
George was getting really tired of pushing the very big parcel. He was seriously worried it was going to make him late for his birthday party.
Oh dear, I just can't go any faster.
What do you think of this?
Oh, it looks great. On me.
What about this one?
It suits Sammy better.
G'day, Mitzi. Ned.
Hi,
Hi,
Sammy.
Sammy.
I've got George's cake. It's a beauty.
Where are the candles? You can't have a birthday cake without candles.
Oh, I was in such a hurry I forgot. Oh, don't worry. I'll nip back and get them. That's a very big parcel. Funny place to leave it.
Sammy! Oh,
Alice, did you see George on the way here?
George? No.
We saw Sammy in rather a hurry.
Sammy's bound to see George on the way back.
We should go and look for him again.
No, I'm sure Ned's right. Sammy will see him and give him a ride.
Hey, Sammy! Oh, I'm never gonna get to the Koala Brothers on time. This is my worst birthday ever.
Got the candles.
Where's George? What do you mean?
Didn't you see him?
No, I didn't see anyone. The only thing I saw was a very big parcel lying by the side of the road. Funny place to leave.
It's George!
We'll find him. Come on, Buster. Chocks away, Buster!
Chokes away, Frank!
Get the gate, Ned!
I'm getting the gate, Frank.
Buckle up, Buster!
Buckled up! Look! There's the parcel!
And there's George! We found him!
Frank, Buster, this parcel's for you. It's very big and heavy.
Actually, George,
It's our birthday present for you.
What?
Happy birthday, George!
It's nice and quiet. Not too fast. Oh, thank you both. It's perfect. Just what I need. Well, we can't stand round chatting all day. We've got a party to go to. Come on. Oh,
George's party was a great success. Everyone gave George a present.
Hooray!
I'd like to thank everyone for all my lovely presents. This is my best birthday ever.
Fancy a ride back into town in my van, George?
That's very kind of you, Sammy, but I'm in no hurry and I think I'll try out my new trolley. Goodbye.
Bye, George.
Bye, George!
Happy birthday.
Birthday, old chap.
bye!
If you're in trouble and you need someone to help you out, there's no need to whistle and there's no need to shout. Hey, hey,